Welcome back to this week's edition of 2 Minute Tuesdays, where we're talking about one exercise topic for 2 minutes and giving you 3 reasons why you should follow our advice. Now this week we're talking to those of you who are just starting out with exercise. What things do you need to keep in mind with your workouts to make sure that your body stays safe while being effective with your workouts?
Tip number 1, consider getting some guidance. At all the gyms around the area, there are personal trainers, there's us, we have an online assessment. Find a way that you can assess how your body's starting out so you know what areas of your body are prepared to work and what areas of your body need a little more guidance before they're ready to be challenged.
Tip number 2, remember, longevity of workout is key for longevity of your body. What I mean is, in order to make sure that you're able to continue to get all the amazing health benefits of exercise, it's a must that you're able to continue to exercise for as much of your life as you can. So, while your motivation is high right now, make sure that how you're exercising today is conducive to you being able to exercise in the future.
Tip number 3, do not ignore what your body is telling you. A lot of times if you haven't really been active before and you start becoming active or you start going to the gym, you'll notice that some areas of your body are kind of achy and kind of sore. Be mindful of these signs and this communication your body is giving to you and reach out to a professional that can help you with this. These things don't often go away. Usually what we end up doing is avoiding them, which actually makes the areas weaker. So get guidance where you need.
Check out an expanded version of this on our blog and tune in next week Tuesday for another 2 Minute Topic.